Today it's my pleasure to introduce a new local owner whose business acumen and success, his community involvement, and his deep roots in East Tennessee really go without saying. He doesn't really require any great introduction. Those of you who have been involved in Knoxville and East Tennessee for long know Randy Boyd and his wife Jenny through their involvement with Radio Systems, as well as a number of other charitable and community organizations. And with that, I will turn it over to Randy, the new owner of the Tennessee Smokies.
Thanks, Doug. About 18 years ago, we went to a Toronto Blue Jays game, and he at that time, the Tennessee Smokies was a Blue Jays affiliate, and I told him, this is an affiliate of the team in Knoxville, and one day I'm going to buy that team. And I'd forgotten about that, but he remembered. But my COO, who's actually running my company right now, I actually hired him at a Smokies game 14 years ago when it was back in Knoxville. So lots of roots to the Smokies, and it's a team that I've always followed, always been a fan of. And I never really thought, though, that I was going to get the opportunity to buy this team. I wanted to invest in baseball somewhere, but about 6 years ago I had lunch with Jim Haslam and let him know that I'd like to buy the team, and he explained what a great business it was, and that he would never sell it. And so I really didn't think this would ever happen until, I guess it was early in January. I'm driving down the road and I get a call from Jimmy, and Jimmy's very quick and direct. He says, "Hey, you want to buy the Smokies?" And I said, as I weaved around on the road a little bit, and said, "Absolutely." We traded a couple emails, and we had an agreement probably in a couple of days. And then we brought the attorneys in, and 6 months later, we now finally have the official document, along with the blessings of everybody in baseball.